Here in the sun, cold in the shade, here is where the legend's made. The blueprint calls, the metal bends, the line of truth that never ends. I see the shade, I feel the strain, I hold the line against the rain. Fold the steel, hold the line, crafting art for the test of time. Standing seam, heart of iron, we are the masters, we are the fire. No leaks, no fear, the job is done. We build a roof, we build for everyone. Step by step on the training ground, where the strength of the skill is found. Measure, cut, and lock the fold. The story of our hands is told. From the first touch to the final seal, we show the